I'm Oshin from Royal International School, Kurunagala. I'm learning in grade 7D, and this is my program to check a person's or a group of people's health when they are going or getting or going actually going into a specific event. Okay, so I'll explain this. So you can see a block in here said check to one. So this check is a variable, and check is going to give us the final conclusion in here. So if check equals 5, print let him or her in, else print do not let him or her in. Okay, so I'll explain it also. Okay, so first we'll go on with this first part. Okay, so this is the maximum body temperature in Fahrenheit. So 99 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have input in here 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just a normal temperature I have input. So it gives temperature is not high. Okay. Okay. So if so we'll check whether this is true or false. So this should be false because temperature is not high means in the else part. This is in the else part, so that means it's false. Okay, 99 is not smaller than 98.6, so temperature is not high. Check is changed by 1. Check is changed by 1 because if there's an healthy statement, because no tiredness and temperature is not high means a healthy statement, and have tiredness means an unhealthy statement. So if there's healthy statement in somewhere, that means only 5 healthy statements can be sorry 4 healthy statements can be there, because in this part 1, in this part 1, in this part 1, and the upper part 1. So in here 3 and 4, and first we have to all set check to 1, so equals 5, check equals 5, and yes, check equals 5. That means there are 4 healthy signs, and we have assigned a value in there, so it comes as 5. And if you are a healthy person, check should be equals to 5, so it would print let him or her in. If not, do not let him or her in. Okay, so second one in here is tiredness. Okay, set tiredness to 1. So this is also a variable. Tiredness is set to 1, so I just read this as 1. 1 is not greater than 70, so we can print no tiredness, change check by 1. Okay, this is a healthy statement, change check by 1. um okay, so in these 3 parts the same thing is happening. So if we should input a value in here where we should check the temperature, and the output is being automatically input to here, so we can even input a value and see whether this is like this or that. But it is practically done like that, and these 3 parts we should input. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so I'm not going to separately explain these 3. I'm going to explain this one by actually all these things. Okay, so if you have tiredness, you can input a value greater than 1 or equals to 1. If you have cough sorry, if you have tiredness, you should input a value smaller than 1. Okay, if you do not have tiredness, a greater value than 1 or equals to 1. Okay, a value equals to 1. Okay, if you have cough, you should enter a value smaller than 2. If you do not have cough, a greater value than 2, or a value that is equals to 2. In here, if you have throat pain, a smaller value than 3, and if you do not have throat pain, a greater value than 3, or a value that is equals to 3. Okay, so if you have healthy signs, you're getting no cough, no throat pain, and no tiredness like that. And okay, now it's time to check the output. Okay, so in here I have given some healthy signs. So that means healthy values actually, that gives us the healthy signs. Okay, temperature is not high, no tiredness, no cough, no throat pain. Let him or her in, because every factor, actually every category has a, that means all the categories has the healthy sign. So thank you so much for watching.